Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Chandra, Principal Salesforce Developer and Architect at Temple V Capital. Today I am excited to share our journey of transforming the borrower experience through a responsive loan application portal. This isn't it just about improving functionality, but creating an entirely new digital landscape that empowers borrower. Let's dive into how we tackle legacy challenges and design a revolutionary borrower-centric solution. The need for change. We started this transformation journey by recognizing the critical pain points in our legacy systems. First, we faced inconsistent performance that frustrated users and led to lower conversion rates. Next, there was a glaring gap in mobile accessibility, a catastrophic 60% abandonment rate among mobile users on our digitally native customers. Lastly, our outdated technology infrastructure created complex workflows that made the loan application process pretty complex. These challenges were our call of action for the change. Crafting a seamless digital experience. Our solution focused on three pillars. First, an adaptive user interface ensured intuitive navigation across devices, making the portal equally effective on mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. Second, we streamlined the application process with intelligent document management using MuleSoft IDP tool and secure e-signatures, slashing processing time. Lastly, we introduced a comprehensive loan management hub, a real-time dashboard offering borrowers complete visibility and control of their loans. Together, these innovative this innovation transformed the borrower journey into a seamless digital experience. Measuring success. The results have been remarkable. We accelerated processing efficiency by 30%, cutting the average application time in half from 25 minutes to just under 15. Support call volume dropped by 40%, reflecting a more reliable and user-friendly systems. Perhaps most rewarding was the 35% increase in customer satisfaction scores, demonstrating the value of a borrower focused approach. These metrics show the power of aligning technology with user needs. Coming on to design principles and technologies. Our design principles were rooted in three key elements. A mobile first approach ensured responsive across all devices, accommodating the growing mobile user base. By leveraging user centric design, we built an interface that dynamically adopts user preferences. Finally, advanced technologies, including cloud infrastructure, robust APIs, and multi factor authentication, formed the backbone of this innovative portal. This strategic combination was essential for delivering a secure and scalable borrower experience. Lessons learned. Optimizing for user engagement. Throughout this process, we learned valuable lessons. First, data driven insights were important. Those allowed us to optimize the portal based on the real user behavior. Next, clear and concise communication, including real time updates, built borrower confidence and reduced application errors. Finally, establishing a continuous feedback loop ensured the portal evolved with borrower expectation. These lessons are not just milestones, but stepping stones for future innovation. Beyond the portal, future innovations. Looking ahead, we are excited to explore three transformative innovations. First, intelligent AI powered chatbot will provide 24 by 7 personalized support, guiding borrowers through the most complex workflows. Second, voice activated loan application will enhance accessibility, offering natural language interactions. Finally, integrating blockchain technology will revolutionize transparency and security, creating immutable loan records while reducing fraud. These innovations promise to take borrower experience to the next level. The power of modern approach. Our modern approach has delivered solid outcomes. We have streamlined workflows, cutting processing time up to by 70%. Borrower experience has improved significantly, driving a 40% increase in loan approvals. Operational costs were reduced by 50%, enhancing our overall efficiency and brand perception. Most importantly, we have expanded financial accessibility, empowering underserved population and creating a more inclusive lending ecosystem. This is the power of innovation in action, I would say. Transforming the lending landscape. This transformation rests on three pillars. First, enhancing user experience through intuitive design that works seamlessly across all devices. Second, leveraging advanced technologies like AI, Agent Force, and voice interfaces to push the boundaries of innovation. Finally, adopting a data driven optimization framework that continuously evolves based on the real time insights and user feedback. Together, these pillars are redefining the digital lending landscapes. Next steps and key takeaways. As we move forward, there are four key takeaways. Embrace responsiveness to adapt to changing user needs, prioritize user experience with intuitive, accessible design, leverage advanced technologies like AI, Salesforce, Agentforce for secure, seamless financial interactions. And finally, foster a culture of continuous learning and innovation to stay ahead in the rapid evolving digital ecosystem. These principles will guide us towards a future of empower, empowered borrowers and lending experience. Call to action. In conclusion, now is the time to revolutionize the financial landscape. Let's work together to build intelligent, user-centric lending platform that breaks down barriers, empower communities, and redefine digital financial interactions. Your vision can drive the next wave of inclusive technology-driven solutions. Thank you for joining me today, and I am excited to collaborate on shaping the future of lending space. Thank you.